No, I do. But I think he's dead.
But y'all gonna learn to do your fucking job. Kill me. Hey, kill me. I'm two tap. Hey, Gabe. Hey. Hey, come on, kill me. I'm two tap. Kill me.
Kill me.
You got it?
Bro, I don't give a fuck. Show me my stuff. Okay, I don't
Officer,
care.
are you
Fuck
okay,
them
officer?
lights.
You
Show
okay,
me my
officer?
stuff.
I mean, oh.
Have fun in
Being
jail.
disrespectful, I can Swiss cheese you. You know that, right? Stop being disrespectful, bro.
Bro, watch your fucking mouth, dude.
What's up, bro?
Bro, take me to my fucking cell.
Hey, don't be speaking like that, bro.
Man, fuck you, little nigga.
I'm not talking about bad piggy. Bad piggy's fine, bro.
Not bad. Good, alpha.
Yeah, so it is what it is.
Hurry the fuck up.
Okay.
You move it too slow. Hop out the car and show me my cell.
Not me watching my own videos. You know, my wedding was like a fucking movie. It was crazy. The best time. We're doing vows for 5 minutes and then we're partying for 8 hours.
Hey, you can show me my cell. You take it too long.
If I'm getting married,
Can I get a female pat down, please?
Can y'all hurry up, please? Hurry up
We're
and
working
pat
on
me
it.
down.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to be patient. You have to be patient
No,
whenever you
not even
decide to break the law.
hurry up. Please hurry up.
Hello, my name is Too Sweet. I'm a West Coast Police Officer, badge number GP238. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Do you understand your rights, sir?
Damn.
Sir, at this time, I'm going to request your identification.
Okay.
Bird ass cops.